Imagine you're in a control tower looking at an airport where multiple planes with different speeds and different types and different altitude coming to land, but you have no radar. And that is exactly what an IT operations VP or CIO feels today, because they have no visibility. Visibility is key, but not just the individual visibility, correlated environment. Because of the radar, the control tower can guide individual plane without any accident to the airport. That's exactly what we do to give that same visibility and correlation to a CIO so that he can guide his business to a successful outcome. So the three tenets of FixStream strategy is correlation, machine learning, and visualization. Correlation to take massive amount of disparate data that's coming from different domains that doesn't give any clear visibility to customers today on application. We take the same data, but we build those end-to-end application maps or single pane of glass. Machine learning to run the algorithms to understand what's in the future. Looking at the past, understand the patterns, and understand what could be the next issue that could be popping up and give that heads up or warning to the customer. And visualization is to make it simply very easy for a customer to understand exactly what's going on, because visually you understand the same information 600 times faster. So we're now giving a map type capability to see the applications, overlays like traffic jams, and predicting which accident is going to happen. Imagine that capability to run your environment.
So my role at the City of Las Vegas is Director of Technology and Innovation. Part of that role is running the day-to-day operations for the City of Las Vegas, as well as looking at new innovative ways the city can be creative using technology to create new customer experiences. Our partnership with FixStream really enables the city to do new things. Not only does FixStream monitor our network and our operations, using advanced AI intelligence really helps our operators and network engineers understand the network, understand where problems are, and really keeps our operations at 100%. As an organization like ours, revenue is very important. And when a system goes down, being able to bring that system back online quickly and efficiently is key in our operation.
We have like about 11 data centers around the globe, and there are about thousands and thousands of servers there. So if anything goes wrong, they have to restart all over again back. That means they lost the time there. Now, these jobs take like 24 hours, sometimes take days to do it. So this is very critical. Even a 5-minute interruptions can cause a 2 or 3 days of delay, or a week delay to the design cycle. So it's very important to keep the data center up all the time. Before FixStream, we had to send people to physically go to every data center and physically count stuff there. And now with FixStream, we can do remotely, install these things there, and they can give us the picture of what they have there. So that'll be a huge benefit, not only from a savings perspective, cost savings. It'll be faster to do it.
I was challenged with moving a data center. Without knowing anything, moving a data center is a disaster, right? So we wanted to make sure there is no business disruption, the cost is minimal, and also my boss said, hey, later we might want to move to the cloud, so plan now. We had a huge data center, around 1,500 to 2,000 systems. We have to discover all that. Now, if I started doing it manually, it would have taken me 2 years, but my boss says, hey, you have 9 months to the maximum. Now FixStream came to the rescue. We put FixStream in one system, it started making recommendation. Hey, I know this system, you connect to it, and we discovered the whole data center. We kept marching forward. We finished our work actually, even though it was 6 months, maybe a few days before the 6 months, and having no downtime, very controlled movement, and also having a good documentation as part of it. Now I'm thinking cloud movement will be much easier. Once we install the FixStream, since we discovered the stuff that we wanted to move, and by discarding the stuff that we didn't want, we almost reduced our power consumption by 70%. We had 180 racks, we went down to like 48 racks. That was a big saving for us.
We are the only company that using artificial intelligence, we can correlate events from your business metrics, like which orders are going to fail or why they're failing, to which transactions in the applications are impacted, to understand exactly at the infrastructure level, let's say maybe which firewall is causing problem or which storage AIOps is causing issue. Correlate all that in all the 3 layers and be able to present that in single pane of glass. There is not a single vendor or tool can do that, and do that more elegantly from the visual and from the machine learning perspective.
We count on FixStream to enable us to automate most of our infrastructure tasks and activities there. Our experience in working with the FixStream and deploying the solutions, it's been a very great experience there. They've been very flexible and good to work with, and they provided whatever they committed to it. And what we've seen so far, I think it's going to be a great experience and journey, and it'll help us to accomplish what we set to do with the FixStream and also with the automation initiative.